Hi guys, good evening. Today is 8th of July 2019 and right now it's about 6 p.m. How are you guys and how's the market? Market has been just, you know, under stress. But if you know about the market, if you know about the direction of the market, then it doesn't matter which direction market is going. If it's going up, you go with it. You buy trades, and if it's going in the downward direction, you sell the trades. It's as simple as that, right? But many people who don't understand the market, and when market is coming down, they buy the stock, and similarly when the market is planning to go up, they sell the stock. So that is what the difference is, right? So this is my website, and all of you, every single person, you don't have to pay anything. Just make an account over here, make your login ID and password, and log in over here and watch my free videos, right? These are the videos, and there are a few more that we have added up here. Then we have added up a few more out here. You can go through all these videos. These are mandatory for you in case you do the course. All right, let's talk about Nifty first. And before I go on there, this is my Telegram channel. I hope you all have joined here. You can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on my Telegram channel. Here I give, live trades. Today I have given, Infi trade. I have given Infi put, and put went from 9.5 to about 11.7. Right, that's what our trade was. So this is my handle. It's called StockPro official SEBI. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, and here I want to show you one of my latest webinar member, and he has written here. If you can read yourself, it says, I'll repeat July classes. Now I realize why proper knowledge need to work in share market. If I could take decision 1 year before, at least able to save my hard-earned money. And he says, guys, today I took only one trade in PNB option, and my day profit is 98,000. Imagine, 98,000. And the fee paid is just 35,000, right? Just 35,000, and almost 3 times earned in one single day. I've just finished training my students for June webinar, right? He says previously not able to handle profit, only handle losses. He said I would just get scared if I see 5,000 rupees, my heartbeat increase ho jati. This is always and always exit with low profit. Now I follow indicators and maximize my profit. This is called fearless trading, right? This is called fearless trading. And this is what I actually teach, right? And I actually trade to make people fearless in the market, where you are not worried about what's going to happen, whether your stop loss will hit or not. The kind of trades we do are called unidirectional trades, in which there is no possibility for hitting your stop loss. So anyway, join this channel, you'll get a lot more information. Now let me come back to what I want to talk about. So we talk about Nifty, and we'll talk about Bank Nifty. So this is how Nifty looks like, right? Nifty is having a good support at 11520. If suppose Nifty breaks that, right? Let's say there is a tremendous selling pressure tomorrow, then the next support that Nifty will get is about at 11,420. This is where Nifty gets the next support, right? And if that is also broken, then 11,300. That's what going to be Nifty's next support, right? So in case Nifty takes a bounce, suppose Nifty takes a bounce, then the first, it closed today at 11,558, which is one of the best support that it has. If it bounces from here, the next level that I can see is 11,627, right? On the upside, the first target that Nifty can have is 11,627, and on the lower side, the first target is 11,424, and then 11,317, right? This is what I actually can read on the graph. Now let's look into Bank Nifty. How does Bank Nifty look like? And I don't see Bank Nifty also now if you look into it, Bank Nifty has also finished itself at a place which is a very big support for Bank Nifty. If somehow this support is broken tomorrow, the first target that I can see is about 3,570, and if that is also broken, I can expect about 30,480. I think I said 3,000. It's 30,570, and if that's also broken, then we can expect 30,386, and if that's broken, then 30,300 is what we can see, right? These are the major targets that I see for Bank Nifty. Now let me just analyze for you Nifty also. Now look at Nifty here. Today itself about 12,082 contracts have been written, right? At the level of 11,600. And then at 11,650, 12,000, 12 lakhs, 81,000 contracts have been written. And 11,700, there are 31 lakh contracts that have been written today, right? That means clearly and broadly, the upper boundary for Nifty is kind of defined as 11,700, right? And if you see here on the lower side, 11,400 looks like to be a boundary. The range is going to be tomorrow 11,700 to 11,400 on the downside, and so, I mean, I would say there could be a possibility that Nifty may have a little bounce, right? But it has to sustain. Like closing has to be above today. Then only we can say that the market is bouncing. So there are a few stocks that have pulled out, and I feel they stand in a very good place. So this is basically Yes Bank. Yes Bank had a major fall from the very high values. If you see here, started falling from 285, right? And from 285 it has come down to 86, right? And today this looks a bit positive in spite of market falling for about 250 points. The Yes Bank could still manage to hold itself in positive since yesterday, and that would be good about 5-6%, right? So if tomorrow we get a buying above 95, Yes Bank will be a good opportunity to take an entry, right? That's one stock that I have on my radar, right? Then a few other stocks that I feel are looking very good. One is KSCL, right? Kaveri Seeds. That looks pretty good to me. And KSCL has a beautiful bounce today. If you see here, there was a major support at this level, 452, and after that it has gone up to 472. So this beautifully it has taken a bounce. So it's looking very positive to me. And let me just make it a little smaller. After 483, we can expect levels of 504, and if 504 is also crossed, then we can expect the level of 519, and then 534, then 540, and then 550. These are the levels for KSCL. Then I have another stock on my radar for buying, which is CESC, right? CESC is another stock that I have on my radar. Again, the stock has to cross its today's high, right? Above 775, it will be a good opportunity to enter in this stock, right? Partially because it's forming a trend line. If you see from here, it's kind of forming a trend line. If this trend line is broken tomorrow, right, we can expect a bit of movement in the upward direction, right? So today it's tried to cross that trend line, but there could be a possibility that it breaks it tomorrow. So this is going to be an opportunity for us to enter into it. Then another stock that I have on my radar, which is basically for selling, it's SR Transfin, right? SR Transfin looks pretty negative to me. And what are my levels going to be? And for that, I have again drawn a trend line, right? So this is my trend line. Below 1020 SR Transfin can also be a good trade for shorting, right? Then we have PEL. That's another trade I have on my radar. And this also looks to me like, if you see, notice something that I want you to notice. Every time it has made lower highs, right? When it's making lower highs means the stock is under stress, right? And if it breaks this low, it's today's low, we can expect a good selling coming in into the stock. The levels for selling will be, the first level of selling will be 1861. Then if it breaks that, then then it's going to be 1837, then 1800, then 1797, and then 1730. These are going to be my levels for PEL. And then another stock that I have on my radar for selling tomorrow is Balkrishna Industries, right? Balkrishna Industries. That's another stock on my radar, and I'm going to sell it below this today's low, right? And the reason for that is almost the same, that if I draw a trend line, it stands on a trend line, right? So if this trend line is broken by any chance tomorrow, then the stock will have a breakdown in the downward direction. So these are my stocks for tomorrow. And guys, keep watching, keep learning, keep understanding, be connected, remain connected on my Telegram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on my, I hope you know my YouTube channel. If you haven't joined my YouTube channel, you can still join my YouTube channel to keep learning about the technical analysis. That's what my forte is. And this is my YouTube channel, and you can watch a lot of videos which I have posted regarding different things. You know, you can talk, I have talked about risk management, I've talked about Heiken-Nishi candles, I've talked about the various strategies. So all of these you can come and watch over here. So take care, good day, bye bye. See you on my Telegram channel, and see you on my, sorry, see you on the Telegram channel, see you on my, in the webinar, because we're going to be closing our webinar. I mean, we'll be starting our webinar tomorrow onwards. So what are you waiting for? Just look at, as I showed you the message. One call, one trade itself will get you more than what you have paid for. This is what the accuracy, this is how I want people to be, you know, fearless in the market without getting worried whether your stop loss will hit or not. You can trade if you understand market correctly. So take care. With this, I'm signing off, but hoping to see you soon, anywhere, wherever you want to be. Bye bye, see you, take care.